Runnymede boatyard. What are you telling me?
Yeah, it's come up and walk through.
Yeah?
This guy's a YouTuber. Just walk past it, a couple things. This is a whiskey barrel bath.
Right.
We put with copper line it.
Right.
Built with copper on the inside.
I see, yeah.
Yeah. Come up and walk through.
So what's this, sir?
This is a shepherd's hut.
A shepherd's
We
hut.
haven't put the tin on the outside yet.
Right.
Yeah.
So are you building this from scratch then?
Yes, we build it from scratch.
So you build them from scratch?
Yes.
And you
me
sell
and
them?
Tino and Paul can build them from scratch.
Yeah.
From old farm chassis, if you can look at the bottom. That's what
Great.
it's all built on.
Right.
Yeah.
So old farm trailer chassis.
Yes.
Right, lovely.
That's exactly what it is.
Right.
That's all that we put on.
Oh, that's going to be, that's the door.
Front door, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't need to hang it up here.
Right.
Yeah. And then this is where the magic happens inside.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Wood fire oven. It's got a stove on the top of it.
So it's a wood fire oven
Indeed.
with a stove on the top.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Sorry, I was missing that what you showed me there.
Little oven.
Right.
Put the copper back in.
Brilliant.
This is all old pallet wood that we blew up together and sand down.
Right.
Yeah. Put some stained glass windows in there. Box, kitchen. Fridge goes here. Oven goes there.
So someone will buy this, and that's a Calagas heater.
Yes, we got a bottom. We put the bath in there, toilet, all
Right.
the hot running water.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. This has got a box that covers it, so that's what goes in front of that. So
Right.
gravity.
Oh, I see, right, yes.
Yeah. Cupboards with shelves in.
Fantastic.
A hatch. That's not open. Two
Right.
hatches that open up.
Yeah. So, and what's underneath the hatches?
Nothing. It's just where you can store some stuff.
All right.
Yeah.
Storage space.
Yes.
Right.
Oven will go there.
Right.
Yeah.
That is really interesting. Now, so someone will buy this.
Yeah. Some people live in it, or they'll put it on the Airbnb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean, is it rude to ask how much it will cost?
No, it's not. Is it rude to ask how much it costs? It depends. Not enough.
It depends on how much money the prospective buyer's got,
Well,
in your opinion.
no, it's not how much they've got, it's how much we can sell them for and,
Yeah.
and keep tying them over.
Right.
With the reciprocal price materials and stuff.
So roughly what that might...
I believe they're worth a lot more than what we sell them for. The
Yeah.
effort and time that goes into them.
Yeah.
Have a look at the bathroom.
Yeah, come have a look in the bathroom. You'd be impressed with the bathroom. There's some
Right.
stuff in there for you.
So obviously the toilet and the flushing mechanism, yeah.
Victorian,
Yeah.
lead line, box, towel rail.
And there'll also be walk-in shower in here, no doubt, will there?
That's the copper bath.
Yes, it's the bathtub. Yeah.
All right, the copper bathtub, right, which you've shown me over there.
Handmade shower head.
Handmade there. Shower head. This is all handmade.
I'm not seeing the shower head. Where's the shower?
Yeah.
Oh, the shower head's up there, right? Yeah, okay, yeah.
Well, the sink's normally here, but that's made there. That's made out of copper basin.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Brilliant. So how long have you been doing this particular one?
Just this one, about 3.5 months.
No, longer.
Longer.
Four and a half months.
4.5 months.
Right.
That's it, yeah. And it's meant to be going next weekend. It's going to be finished.
Right.
Hopefully.
Right. And where's he going? Do you know where it's going to go
It's going
to?
to Aylesbury.
Aylesbury.
Yes.
Buckinghamshire, right?
Yes, Buckinghamshire. That's
Yeah.
correct. Yeah.
So is someone going to actually live in it as their Mona Bay abode, or is it going to be a weekend place?
Tino, is it going to be a home abode or?
Yes. They bought a plot on the canal, so they've got a narrow boat which they live on.
Right.
And then this is going to be parked up next to their narrow boat on their plot, so they'll have this and their narrow boat, and yeah.
Sounds fantastic. So what are your names?
I'm Emile and this is Martyn.
Martyn.
Pleased to meet you both. My name's Michael Parkinson, would you believe?
I'm not the Michael Parkinson.
According to my publisher, he calls me Michael Parkinson, the other one. But according to my YouTube channel, I'm Michael space not that one, all one word, space Parkinson.
Okay, I will remember that.
I'll definitely remember it.
And on Instagram, we're the Wagon Workshop.
The Wagon Workshop on Instagram.
Yeah.
That's us.
Are you on Facebook as well?
Yes, we don't use Facebook very much, so
Right.
I
And
don't update it.
do you do any YouTubing yourselves?
No,
Well, you should really.
we should.
Yeah, yeah.
Time, it's just
The,
time.
the beauty about YouTube is, because I've got about 1,700 videos on there, the beauty of YouTube is once you put something on YouTube, it stays there.
Sure.
If you put in something like Instagram or Facebook or whatever, after a few days nobody can find it. Well, I can't anyway.
If you post it on your main post, you can.
Can you? Right, yeah.
So if you put it on your feed, it will disappear.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, thank you very much, gentlemen. It's really interesting. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you. This piece of equipment is a folder, a sheet metal folder, where they put sheets of metal into the equipment and use the bar. I'm supposed to use the bar to lift the top of the mechanism. They put a sheet of metal in there and they pull it down with 8 of these weights and actually fold huge chunks of sheet metal.
So you place the metal in here, and it will end up coming out there.
Right,
Most of the time to get a 90-degree bend.
right,
And then you pull up like this,
yeah.
and then down, pull the metal out, and have a perfect 90-degree angle on it.
And you still use it today?
Still use it today, yeah. Today,
Would you know
proper.
how old it is?
I couldn't tell you how old it
Yeah. Thanks very much, that sir. So obviously you work at the Runnymede Boatyard.
is. Yes, yeah, we do.
Yeah. Runnymede Boatyard.